Today we're going to have a fun but also a helpful video. If you're like me, you have tons of gel prints. And maybe you too asked yourself, so what can I do with all these lovely monoprints? So stay tuned, I will show you 3 different ways you can use your gel prints. Number 1, book binding. So yeah, you can definitely print inside your journal or sketchbook to start with. And this way, of course, you'll avoid having loose prints all over the place. But today we are talking about loose prints and what to do with them. And yeah, you can take your loose prints and put them in albums, but honestly, I don't like to look at my prints behind plastic. So I decided to bind my prints into a homemade book. There are of course many different ways to bind a book, and I found a great tutorial by Jennifer from Sea Lemon, and I'll link to it in the description box. I like this method because it uses 6 different color threads, and because when the book is ready the pages are going to lie flat. So I'm not going to say it was an easy challenge for me, but I did enjoy it very much, and I'm definitely going to do more binding projects. So this is what a final DIY book looks like. It didn't come out perfect at all, but still I do like it. And if you missed my previous video and would like to see how I made these gel monoprints, which I made from my own photos, I will show you how I made them at the end of this video. And if you too are interested to learn how to gel print your own photos, check out my online classes. Links to the classes are below this video. So next idea is to use the gel prints to make a collage. There are a few ways to make a collage. You can make the collage in your art journal. Here's another way to make a collage like this one, which I made on a wood panel. And I'm going to use it as a background for another project, probably image transfer. And this is another way of making a collage. I made this one on a large watercolor paper. It was really nice to use all these colorful papers, and also it's a very relaxing process to do. Okay, next idea today is to mount a gel print over a wood panel or canvas for easy and beautiful display. And you can choose to leave the unfinished wood or paint it. And before I'm going to show you how I made these lovely prints, let me just say I hope you find the ideas today useful. Let me know in the comments below if you like any of these ideas, or maybe you have some other ideas I didn't think about. I would definitely like to hear them, and maybe even try them and feature them in my next video. Now stay tuned to see how I gel printed my own photos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.